Hey everyone, welcome to Pacific Sands. Let me give you a quick tour of the Edgewater Suite, so come on in. Now this is by far one of the most desirable and sought after rooms at the property. It's a 2-bedroom suite, with this being the first bedroom. As you can see, very beautiful, very spacious. Moving down the hallway, we have our primary bathroom that is equipped with a soaker tub. And then coming down to the last bedroom, this is the primary bedroom of the suite that has its own primary ensuite bathroom as well. And it even has its own balcony coming off of the bedroom. Now moving into the living room, you've got this really nice seating area with a gas fireplace. And this is actually a sofa pull-out couch, so if you want, this suite can accommodate up to 6 guests. You also have your own formal dining table, and you have a fully equipped kitchen with a microwave, stove, fridge, coffee pot, and of course, all of your cookware. But that's not the best part. The best part of this suite is actually right out here, so come with me. So out here, you have your own private rooftop terrace with a hot tub just for you and your guests, and arguably the best view out of any room type here at Pacific Sands, where you have completely unobstructed views of Cox Bay. I mean, there's a lot of nice rooms here at the property, but this one is definitely one of my favorites.